everyone, a warm welcome to the topic solution of partial differential equation by direct integration. Really, there are different methods for solving partial differential equations. In this video, I am going to solve a few partial differential equations by direct integration.
Solve the partial differential equation dou square z by dou y dou x is equal to xy. See, here we can solve it by direct integration. See, for direct integration, you have to notice what is dou square z by dou y dou x. What is dou square z by dou y dou x? Really it is dou by dou y of dou z by dou x. Dou by dou y of dou z by x. So first you integrate with respect to y. What is the integral of dou square z by dou y dou x? It is dou z by dou x. While integrating with respect to y, you can see the left side is dou z by dou x. What is integral of right side with respect to y? You keep x as a constant. Integral of y is y square by 2. See, this is its integral. After integration, we have to put a constant. See, here the constant is not the pure constant. It may contain function of x or y. Here, we integrate with respect to y. See, integration and differentiation are reverse process of each other. See, really, it is the partial derivative with respect to y. While taking the partial derivative with respect to y, we have to keep x as a constant. So that x may occur in the constant. So the constant is a function of x, let it be fx. See, here we have to put a constant. While differentiating with respect to y, we kept x as a constant. So the constant contains x. We don't know which function of x, so we denote it by a function of x. See, you can check whether this integral is correct or not by taking the partial derivative of this expression. You differentiate this partially with respect to y, that is dou square z by dou y dou x. What is the partial derivative of this term? It is 2y. 2 will cancel this xy. What is the partial derivative of fx? It is 0. It doesn't contain any y, so its derivative is 0. So that's not part of this solving. I just convinced you. So dou z by dou x is this one. Again integrating with respect to which variable? With respect to x. We have z equal to. We are integrating with respect to x. What is the integral of x? At that time you have to keep y as a constant. What is the integral of x? It is x square by 2. So the term is x square y square by 4 plus. We are integrating with respect to x. So integral, you have to integrate fx with respect to x. That is integral fx dx. Plus after integration there is a constant. While integrating with respect to x, you kept y as a constant. So that y will occur in the constant. So the constant is a function of, let it be g of y. See, this is our z. That is the solution. Again, you can see integral fx dx is another function of x. Let it be f of x. So its is x square y square by 4 plus fx plus gy. Next, we have to answer a very interesting question. Solve dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 18xy square plus sine 2x minus y equal to 0. So before solving, you must understand what is dou cube z by dou x square dou y. It is dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou by dou y of z. First you take dou z by dou x. You differentiate partially with respect to x. That is dou square z by dou x dou y. Again you partially differentiate with respect to x. That is dou cube z by dou x square dou y. So for solving this, first you have to integrate with respect to which variable? With respect to x. What is integral of the first term? It is dou square z by dou x dou y. See, finally we are differentiating with respect to x. And if you integrate with respect to x, this will remove. That is dou square z by dou x dou y. Plus integral of this term, you keep y as a constant. So you integrate only x. Its integral is x squared by 2. So that term becomes 9x squared y squared plus. What is integral sign? Integral sign is minus cos 2x minus y divided by 2 is equal to a constant. Here we integrate with respect to x. So while differentiating with respect to x, you kept y as a constant. So this is a function of y. Again you integrate with respect to which variable? With respect to x. What is its integral? It is dou z by dou y plus its integral is you integrate only x square and its integral is x cubed by 3. So you can see it is 3x cubed y square minus. What is integral cos? It is sine. So sine 2x minus y by 2 into, here we have to integrate with respect to x. So integral of 2x minus y with respect to x is 2. So we have to divide it by 2. So the denominator becomes 4. Is equal to, we are integrating with respect to x. So what is its integral? See, fy is a constant into x plus integration constant. While differentiating partially with respect to x, we kept y as a constant. So this constant may contain y, that will be g of y. Again integrate with respect to y. What is its integral? It is z plus its integral is y cubed by 3. So the term becomes x cubed y cubed minus. Integral of sine is minus cos. So plus cos 2x minus y by 2 square is 4 into minus 1. So minus 4 is equal to, here we are integrating with respect to y. So x is a constant. Its integral is integral fy dy plus integral gy dy. Here we have to put an integrating constant. While differentiating partially with respect to y, we kept x as a constant. So this constant contains a function of x. So we can take it as, see, already we mentioned a function g. So you consider another function of x as h of x. See, this is our z. That is, z is equal to, see, our solution of this partial differential equation is z. So z is minus x cube y cube plus, while this term goes to the right side, it becomes plus. It is cos 2x minus y by 4 plus, see, x, its integral is a function of y plus g of y, it's another function of y plus h of x. See, this is the solution of the given partial differential. Let me solve another partial differential equation. It is dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to y by x plus 2. So here first we have to integrate with respect to which variable? We have to integrate with respect to x. What is the integral of left side? It is dou z by dou y is equal to, you integrate with respect to x, at that time you keep y as a constant. Integral 1 by x is log x plus. See, in the unconscious mind, sometimes for integration you may do differentiation and vice versa, that's why. So you have to be very conscious while integrating and differentiating. Then after integration there is a constant. Here the constant is a function of y. So it is f of y. Again you integrate with respect to y. What is its integral? It is z. Z is equal to, we are integrating with respect to y, that is y square by 2 log x plus 2x y. What What is its integral with respect to y? 2x is a constant. So you keep 2x as a constant. Integral of dy is y. So the term is 2xy plus integral fy dy plus the constant is a function of epsilon. That is z equal to y square by 2 log x plus 2xy plus, you keep it as f. See, while integrating a function of y, you can see the answer is again a function of y. You denote it by capital F of y. See, it is small fy, so you capital F of y plus g of x. See, this is our solution. Next, we have to solve dou square u by dou x dou t is equal to e raised to minus t cos x. See, this question is entirely different from all other previous questions because, see, here the derivative is dou square u by dou x dou t. So we can say u is a function of x and t. So corresponding derivatives are dou u by dou t, dou u by dou x. Second order derivatives dou square u by dou x dou t, dou square u by dou t square, dou square u by dou x square. See, these are the first and second order derivatives of u with respect to x and t. See, in all the previous questions, is said as a function of x and y. See here, it's very clear, u is the dependent variable and it depends on these two variables. So, these are the independent variables. So, u depends on x and t. So, we have to consider u as a function of x and t. That's why I wrote u equal to u of xt. Next, see our equation is dou square u by dou x dou t is equal to e raised to minus t cos x. Here it is dou square u by dou x dou t. So first we have to integrate with respect to x. So integrate with respect to x. Left side is dou u by dou t is equal to, while integrating with respect to x, you keep t as a constant. So e raised to minus t is a constant. It is integrating cos x, it is sin x plus constant. See, while differentiating with respect to x, we kept t as a constant. So a function of t will be the constant here. Again, you integrate with respect to t. U is equal to sin x is a constant. What is integral e raised to minus t? It is minus e raised to minus t plus. We are integrating with respect to t, so we have to integrate ft. It is integral ft dt plus. After integration, you put a constant. While differentiating partially with respect to t, we kept x as a constant. So you have to keep the constant as a function of epsilon. That will be g of x. See, this is our required u. We have to find the dependent variable. That is its solution. That is, we have to find u. Again, you can write this integral ft dt is another function of t. So we can write u is equal to minus sin x e raised to minus t plus f of t plus g of x. See, this is our solution. Next, we have to solve a partial differential equation. Dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to sin x sin y, for which dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0 and when z equal to 0 when y is an odd multiple of pi. See, in this question, some conditions are given. See, these are the conditions. See, these conditions are given for finding the arbitrary functions like fx, dx or fy or gy like that. Anyway, first we have to solve the given partial differential equation. See, dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to sin x sin y. See here, first you have to integrate with respect to x. At that time, you keep the constant as a function of y. So what is its integral? It is dou z by dou y is equal to, we are integrating with respect to x, so you keep y as a constant. So sin y is a constant. What is integral sin x? It is minus cos x plus f of y. While differentiating with respect to x, we kept y as a constant. So the constant as a function of y. Again you integrate, here integration with respect to x. Next you integrate with respect to y. its integral is z. We are integrating with respect to y. So we have to integrate sin y. What is its integral? It is minus cos y. So minus minus become plus, and that term is cos x cos y plus integral fy dy plus a function of x, let it be g of x. See, this is another function of y, let it be f of y. So we can say this is equal to cos x cos y plus f of y plus g of x. See, this is the solution of the given partial differential equation. Two conditions are given, and that conditions are used for finding the arbitrary functions fy and gx. Given when x equal to 0, dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y. See, this is given. What is dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y is equal to, you differentiate with respect to y. At that time you keep x as a constant. So derivative of cos y is minus sin y. So it is minus cos x sin y plus, what is integral fy? Sorry, derivative of fy, it is small fy. Derivative of gx, it is 0. When x equal to 0, here what is dou z by dou y? It is minus sin y plus fy. Given when x equal to 0, dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y. So minus 2 sin y is equal to minus sin y plus fy, which implies fy is equal to, you take this to this side, you can see it is minus sin y. So small fy is minus sin y. See, in our solution, we need capital Fy. See, capital Fy is integral Fy. So capital Fy is equal to integral Fy dy. What is integral Fy dy? Integral sin y is minus cos y. So it is cos y. So capital Fy is cos y. We have Fy is cos y. So what is z? Our solution is equal to, you replace Fy. It is cos x cos y plus cos y plus gx. Next to apply the next condition for getting g of x. See, next condition is when y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. When y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, z is 0. That is, if y is an odd multiple, that is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. If y equal to 2n plus pi by 2, then what is z? Z equal to 0. So in this you put y equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. When y is 2n plus 1, you can see cos 2n plus. So if y equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, what is cos y? Cos y is 0. So if y equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, z equal to 0 plus cos y 0 plus gx. When y is 2n plus 1 pi by 2, it is given z is 0. So here is z equal to 0. So what is gx? Gx is 0. So by the second condition you can see gx is 0. See, this is our solution. Here we noticed gx is 0. So what is the required solution? Required solution is z equal to cos x cos y plus cos y.